Ever wish you could turn your flashlight on or off without even unlocking your phone? Here's a super useful trick on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Using the side button to control the flashlight with just a double press. Let's set it up. First, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Advanced Features. Tap Advanced Features. Tap Side button. Next, tap double press. Turn it on if it's not already. And then select Flashlight. To see how it works, turn off the screen. And then double press the side button. As you can see, your phone will instantly turn on the flashlight. If you are done using it and want to turn it off, just double press again. It's that easy and super helpful in dark situations or emergencies. One button, quick light, and no unlocking needed. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.